Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is a 40-inch 2023. The RAM is 128GB M3 Max, and you can see the display is 60-inch, and the storage is a 4TB. Let me show you the battery. You can see the battery capacity is 100%, cycle count is 35, and the GPU. You can see the GPU is 40 cores, and the CPU is the 16 cores, 12 performance cores, and 4 efficiency cores. You can see this is a beautiful color black. You can see the keyboard, the beautiful keyboard, and you can see the top cover, no scratches. Also, you can see the back cover, also no scratches. Oh, here is a minor scratch, you can see. And let me show you the charging port. You can see the minor scratch, the charging port, and the corner, no problem. The beautiful machine. And also this side, also the HDMI port, also no problem. This edge, okay, here's no problem. A little dust. Okay, let me show you the 60-inch display. Okay, very heavy M3 Max 60-inch, and let me show you the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, you can see the gray color, no problem. You can see no bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, let me show you dark. No problem. You can see, no problem. This is a beautiful screen, also a powerful machine. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, if you come to Shenzhen, the market, also you can leave me a message. Also, you can send me a message on the WhatsApp. I will take you to the office. And this is not in the market, this machine on the office, because this is a high-end machine. And you can see the graphics, 40 cores, the GPU. Okay, a powerful machine. This is the M3 Max, 128GB and 4TB. Okay, the beautiful machine. Okay. Okay, see you in the next video.